Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet everybody, depends of where you are watching me from. My people, I hear from some bloggers say our Justice Dean is still fighting for full custody of those children. Hey, nothing when we not go here. Wetin be that man progress sef? Wetin be problem? Why fighting for full custody of those children? Why korra dey busy? She dey hustle for her life, dey hustle for those children. You dey social media dey fight for full custody. Wait oh, my people, if you wan fight for full custody of your children, na for social media na you for wan fight? Na social media be e judge? Na social media wan judge am? If dis man see say if you don dey go down, e go carry I want the full custody of my children, I want the full custody of my children. Wetin be your problem? The other day you come out, you say what if Facebook close social media, if Facebook close now, if TikTok close, if Instagram close, if YouTube close, let them close. If they can't close, if they don shut down all the social media platform, say your woman no come see where to eat, leave am. That time you fit talk. Why bringing all those matter to social media? Not because you still dey find money. Wetin be your problem, this man? Wetin be your problem? Why you dey heavy your woman success? The main reason why this man dey fight for the full custody of those children, we go talk about am. Una know the main reason why this man dey fight for the full custody of his children. Wetin be your problem, this man? Wetin be your problem? Why are you jealous of your ex-woman? You want full custody of your children. Children, when korra just newborn, when you say you no want again, you dey divorce her. Now you want full custody of those children. Are you for real? You think say judge wey dey judge, one na dey carry matter go give for court, you think say dem no get sense? Is that what you are thinking? Say dem no dey think? Dem dey think. Woman just gave birth. For good 3 days, you just cry come out. You be wan frustrate the woman, or you wan make an enemy dey run so that you go get opportunity take carry all those children, take dey use them for social media. Those children when you dey fight for now, they are the same children when you leave, when this woman newborn, the last one. Now you want the full custody. You dey think at all? People wey dey support you, dey think? Wetin be this my problem? Are you okay? We know say the main reason why you dey fight for these children, you want the full custody, we know say you are fighting so that this girl go dey pay you benefits. We know say na make you dey fight. Yes, because you want child benefits. Now woman supposed to dey fight for full custody. Now you are the one fighting for full custody. Which kind of oppression be that one? Okay, wetin be your reason? If you wan talk the reason why you are fighting for full custody, you fit tell dem for court say she dey naked. She dey naked before you meet her. She dey naked before you ask her to marry you. She dey naked before you bring her from America from Nigeria to America. Now today you wan know say your wife or your ex-wife dey naked. Wetin be the reason? Or you wan say she dey drink? You wan say she dey drink? How you take celebrate their birthday? How you take celebrate your last born 1 year birthday? How you take celebrate am? $5 cake. I hear am say na $5 you take celebrate your last born birthday. See person wey dey fight for full custody, and people dey there dey say he is a best daddy. How this man take be best daddy? Una know the meaning of best daddy? Best daddy dey celebrate his daughter 1 year birthday with $5 cake. Is that the best daddy? Some people, we know they use our iroro. We know they use our iroro. Number 6, we know they use that at all. Is that the best daddy? You dey celebrate your 1 year daughter birthday with $5 cake, and you dey fight for benefit, you dey fight for full custody of your daughter, your children, your daughters. Imagine the culpability. You think say judge no dey see? You dey fight so that this woman will come dey pay you child benefits, which is very wrong. You go fight, you go fight so tey all your money wey you dey gather for inside Facebook, inside social media, you use am fight case. E no go work for you. If na me be korra, otumokpo, I go use am for you. Otumokpo, you know wetin dem dey call otumokpo? Since you say you no leave these children for their mama no even dey fight for full custody. 50-50 is okay. You now as the father, when supposed to dey go office, go dey do your work, you dey social media dey cry, I want full custody of my kids. Best daddy indeed. Best daddy will never say he want full custody of his children. Best daddy go want make the mother dey show dem love, he sef go still dey show dem e own love. You no know the meaning of best daddy. You dey claim to say you love your children, but the mother of the children, you no love her. Even though una no dey again, the likeness go dey small. Likeness. You remember the old day before you put the thing for the woman belle as una take. Which kind of oyibo man you even be sef? I no see the kind of oyibo wey you be, e no dey market. E no even complete too. Your kind of oyibo, I no understand. Hungry oyibo na korra just still carry. They say they no dey look roads. I wan come America, na korra obidi take carry you so. Which kind of oyibo you be? Hungry oyibo. Oyibo wey balance, wey be say e dey focus on im work. E go come dey fight for full custody. Dey fight like woman. Now woman dey fight for full custody so that the man go dey pay am benefit. You now, I know say you want child benefit. People dey fail to understand that part. The main reason why this man dey fight for full custody. At first, you come out, you fight this girl, fight. They ask you wetin you want. You say, okay, you carry am from Nigeria, enter America, make she pay you. Which she pay you for that? Now you want full custody, hungry oyibo. Abeg you dey go. My people, black people, not be only Nigeria. No be all oyibo una go see, una go say you don't fall in love, you don't see oyibo. Because some oyibo, people wey dey bongo, they better pass them. This one now where they fight for full custody. If you see if you don't dey go down, you go carry your wife matter come. Person go see am for Nigeria now, you go say I don't see oyibo. I know they blame una now because una never come abroad, una see. Some oyibo, you even better pass them. I wish not be our yeye leader. Who be all this oyibo? When they no even dey bath, they woes. No wetin they call woes. Your near so you dey hold your nose like this. You know if you breathe well, they woes. This one will be hungry oyibo. Full custody indeed. You mean well for your children. If you mean well for your children, for your girls, you will not fight for full custody. I beg you, go bath well, go shave your armpits. God bless you all my people. What do you not think about this video? Why is this man fighting for full custody? You not believe say because he want make this woman they pay a child benefit. Because now women they fight for full custody before. He can't turn aside down say now American man they can't fight for full custody. Imagine my people. Bye everyone. God bless you all. Please don't fail to like and share. Help me to share the video. To share video now free. Make una help me to like and share. God bless you all. See you all. If you never follow the page.